Yeah, I haven't paint furniture for almost 2 years. When I just moved in this place, I bought some used furniture. I painted over with chalk paint. This is the you can check out my earlier videos. So this is still the chalk paint from Rust-Oleum, and I got this I don't know, the stand, TV stand, or cabinet from Goodwill for only $9, and it's in a pretty good condition actually. It's missing two knuckles here, which is no big deal. So yeah, so I'm going to paint it. I'm in the middle of it right now. So I'll show you the end result, because I'm not gonna show every step how I paint it. I had a video like that earlier. You can check it out. Hi everyone. So today I'm just gonna show you the finished product of the cabinet or nightstand I got from Goodwill for only $9. So I paint now with chalk paint. So this is like I kind of mix with gray color, and this is a brand I bought from Amazon. I think it's called Renaissance. And then I have this cream color from Rust-Oleum that I had both leftover from my last painting. So basically I use one coat of white first, then I mix with a little bit gray and white a little bit, so it's kind of make like a little bit whitewashed, but it's creamy and a little bit light gray, which I kind of like the color instead of all cream. And then I use the wax, come from same brand, for gold color. It's a wax, so sometimes they use that with chalk paint. It gives you kind of like gold finish effect, so it's pretty nice actually. I also got a black one. I have a bunch here. I also got a black one, so if you want that charcoal look, that would be the black one, but this one I want like a little bit gold look. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. It goes well with my other furnitures, the color. Also, I'm trying to paint some frame. But anyway, so this is the finished product. Thank you for watching my video, and please leave comments and suggestions. If you like to know all these products, I will link below. Alright, ciao.